Recently, I have joined my mom in crocheting, and since I'm done with my last bag, I wanted to create a new one in the style of a shape. So I decided to organize the things I will need. And since I can't go to places like Joann's and not buy everything, I wanted to organize it in a way that I couldn't change it after the fact. So we will be using tuples, which allow for duplicates, it's ordered, and you can't change things once it's created. So let's name our tuple. We will do star bag, since that's the project we're creating, and then we'll do the parentheses. So let's add the stuff we need, which is right here. We have a 5 milliliter hook. We also have the yarns, which is white and royal blue, so we'll do white yarn, and then royal blue yarn. And then lastly, we have two miscellaneous things, so let's do the darling needle and tape. So now we have our tuple. And since we're just going to print out the things we need, we should probably give a little more context to what we're printing rather than just printing yarn and needles and such. So let's do a print statement. We'll do an F string and we'll say the yarn, we'll start with the hooks. The hook you need to buy is, and then we'll leave a space, as well as the needle you need to get is. And then for our first little section, we can just put out the index of the hook, which is the first one. So we'll do star bag, and then the first index is 0, so we have 0. And then for the second one, if we move this down, since the darling needle is the second one from the end, we can just say it's in the -2 spot, having tape be the -1, and then darling be -2. So we'll say star back is at the index of -2, aka 2 from the end. Now we can also do another print statement with the yarn we need. So we'll say print F and say the yarn you need is, and then since the white and blue yarn in our little section is right next to each other, we can print out a section. So let's start by saying the name of the tuple, star bag, and then for this, the way printing out sections work is you have your first number, so that's the first element you want to print out, which is yarn, and that's at the index of 1. So we do 1 and then the 2 dots. And then the next number you do is the ending value. So since we want to print out the indexes of 1 and 2, we want to say we'll print from 1 and then end at 3, because this third one is not printed out. The number of the last one, that index value isn't printed out. It's printed, values are printed from the first value is printed, and then until the next one. So that's what we do, the 3. So now we have our 2 statements. We can save that. We can pull this up. Let me get to where I am. Oops. And then we can do Python 3, aka running the file, and then do this, and let's see. Beautiful. The yarn you need to buy is a 5 milliliter needle, as well as the needle you need to buy is a darling needle. The yarn you need is, and then it prints out the 2 little sections. Thank you.